Aloha! We have made it to the Ho'ole Villas at Grand Wailea Resort. So let me give you a quick tour of what we have here and how nice this villa is. This is part of the Grand Wailea Resort, but it is separate and across the street. So we get full access privileges at the Grand Wailea, but we have our own private villa and we have our own private pool here that we have access to as well. Let's come on in and take a look around. All right, stepping in, there's an upstairs and a downstairs. Let's start downstairs. So the first room downstairs is going to be the master bedroom. So as you come in, there's a nice lamp and alarm clock there. Television, chair, nice giant king-sized bed. There is a ceiling fan up there. And inside of the bathroom, which is gigantic, and I have not stepped in here yet. So there is a giant tub and a giant shower. There are the sinks, a giant walk-in closet, that's all that's there. And then there is a toilet room, and then coming back out, there is a beautiful lanai. And out here on the deck, there are some chairs and loungers. There is a view of the ocean out there. This room is one of the guest rooms. I'll show you that in a second. There is an elevator here, but it's only turned on by request, so it's not on for us right now because we don't need that. Here is the downstairs guest bedroom. So let's start here with the bathroom. So we've got toilet, sink, and gigantic shower. And then there's that lanai that's connected to the master bedroom. TV there in the corner. The master bed. And a relatively large closet. And then if we step back out of this guest bedroom, there is a little laundry room. So here we've got a washer and dryer. And then there's also a sink. There's laundry detergent. And then out here is the garage. That's where we've parked our rental car. And then here in the corner of the garage, there's some beach chairs and a boogie board. Really nice to have access to that as well to take with us if we want to go to the beach. That other door that you saw in there, that is a door for the cleaning crew to come in and clean stuff, so we don't need to go in there. And then let's go back upstairs and we can go take a look at the upstairs where there's another bedroom and the kitchen den area and another upstairs lanai. So over here, tucked away in the corner, there is a bathroom with a little counter before you get into it. And then bathroom for guests who are partying upstairs. Very nice and simple. And then when you come back this way, We've got the living room den area with a giant TV, tons of seating. There's the lanai, we'll get to that in a second. And here is the kitchen, which we've put all our stuff in already, but we have giant refrigerator and freezer. So refrigerator, another refrigerator. We've got some pull-out freezers, oven, tons of glassware up there, paper towels, knife block, giant sink, toaster, coffee maker with coffee and tea. All these drawers have bowls and plates and utensils and everything you could ask for. In here are more bowls and plates. There's a blender, oh my goodness. Like I said, this is my first time looking at everything that's here, so I have not actually looked at this before I filmed this. All right, now let's look at the lanai. So there is a barbecue and refrigerator out here, but let's talk about the view and how beautiful this is. We can see the ocean. That building off on the right is the Grand Wailea Hotel, the main building. The ocean is right in front of us, as you can see. That is our private Ho'olei Villas pool area. So it's got a pool and some hot tubs. And then there are tables and chairs, plenty of seating outside. And then there are seats and a dining table in addition to the giant island style table inside. So everything here is just amazingly beautiful. Let's go take a look at the last thing we have to look at. So here is the upstairs bedroom. It has a relatively large sliding door closet. And then we have the bathroom. So we've got a giant shower. There's the toilet. And then the sink area. So that's very nice. And then we've got the bedroom itself. So we've got 2 beds in this bedroom. There is a nice ceiling fan up there. And a TV. So I think this bedroom's a little bit larger, but the downstairs master bedroom is definitely the master because it has a much larger and nicer bathroom. Now let's take a look at the pool area. Here on the right is the registration desk for Ho'olei Villas. On the left, that building is where you'll find restrooms and a locker room. That cabinet is where you pick up towels, and that open door on the far left is the fitness center, open 24/7. Here on the right, you can pick up coffee in the mornings and iced tea in the afternoons. There's also a refrigerator to store stuff in if you'd like. The pool area is quite large. Up these small steps, you will find one of the 2 hot tubs. Off in the distance, that cave area actually has a waterfall that's turned on later in the day, where you can go in and enjoy some relaxation. There's plenty of seating around all parts of the pool. There's also a children's beach area with a 0-degree entry and sandy beach. There are showers here, and there were some up by the entrance to the pool area. Moving past that, you will find the other hot tub, which also has plenty of seating around it. Past the hot tub, at that orange tent, is where you can book massage treatments. As you can see, Ho'olei Villas is beautiful and you can't go wrong with a stay here.